Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are going to do a bit unusual set of the nails. You can have a preview of them in here. Yes, that's on Wednesday Inspire set, and I hope you really enjoy learning this quick and easy technique. So let's start. Yeah, this is what we are going to play with today. I know it's not October time, but I just had to show you this actually fun design to create. So what I'm going to do it is put a drop of the blue scrap into dipping dish. And then we are going, actually a fun set. I think that's why I'm showing you guys this time of the year, this set. And then using a black ink, which is 183, I'm going to place a drop of this color into the blue scrap. You can just, come on, let's drop in, there we are. So just drop this in.
Could you explain what is the blue scrap?
Blue scrap. Blue scrap is like a nail dehydrator. You could probably do it with the alcohol, it should work as well. And then using the ombre brush, we've got those brush sets, they are actually awesome because you can create quick and easy designs with that. And then I'm just picking up those black, which is diluted in this blue scrap, to create those kind of see-through black sheer design, which she had it with Wednesday, had it on her dress, because that's where I got the inspiration from. And I'm just wiggling about, really. There we are, just like wiggle about to recreate this look. Okay, so we've got the first one ready. It's so quick to do it. You could modify the design and do it just like without of the top. I'm just going to do all three of them exactly the same. So there we are. And using the ombre brush makes it more interesting, I would say. And then another one. You can go even over it again if you need to in some places, because I've got some fluff in there. There we are. And then cure this one as well. Super quick design, like I was really excited actually playing with it. And then using the D-liner brush and the black foil design gel, we are going to decorate it further. So we want some part of the dress on the bottom, almost like a V-shape French, I would say. So V-shape French, really quick, guys. I'm actually curious, have you watched it as well? Because we actually enjoy it a lot with the cameraman, and we cannot wait for the second season. Okay, let's do this V shape. And then on the top, we are going to create a collar. So again, V shape. And then just like a V triangle shape. Honestly, such an easy and quick set. Color that in. And do the same on the other side. And then color it in. So once you have done the outline, we can just perfect it. And then paint the part which is in the middle. So the part in the middle is just like a V line. And that's where we will place the buttons. So she had just like a light black buttons, but I'm going to use the caviar beads for it. Clean up your brush and just go through the lace which we have created, like kind of indicate some parts of it. I was thinking like what would be the quickest way to recreate this look, and then I came up with this idea of the smudged black. Let's cure it and do the same on the other tip. Obviously it doesn't look finished yet because we need to get those sheer effect on the just below the collar, and I'm going to show you also how to achieve that too. So make a V French. I think like the tips without of color would look absolutely amazing as well. It would be more universal look. Even for a Valentine's Day, like you could just add a heart shape in this part and it will look pretty cool too. Okay, then the V shape on the top. I think that's why I decided for a V shape on the bottom, because of this V shape on the top, just so the things go more together. Since this is just a pinky, I'm painting much smaller. Color it in. So this part kind of don't go too low. Wait it. And then give it a cook as well. Okay, let's get the next step. So we are going to use again the ombre brush because this was still sheer black. So what I'm doing is I'm just picking up those mixture which we have created again and just coloring it in. So we're having those sheer black. You don't want it to be too strong, just a little bit to show the difference in between the top and the bottom part. My black already diluted quite a lot, so I'm just going to add a drop more of it. There we are. That's a nicer shade. That's a perfect shade now. Then using the base gel, we are going to do the buttons, and the buttons are just a small caviar beads. I thought that will look quite delicate and not over the top. So base gel and those 3 buttons. That was such a nice pick. Right away, 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3. Cook it in. Okay, same in here. So my diluted black. Color it in. I have just cleaned the brush a little bit to blend it more. There we are. That's nicer. And then add the buttons. Oh wow, I think I've got good day for a caviar bits today. Picking up straight away as many as I need. Cook it and top coat it. And basically that's our quick and easy Wednesday inspired set of the nails finished. I had dilemma because I was thinking I should maybe do some sheer black with some roses. I think that will look awesome as well. But then I decided I will leave that as a separate video for you guys so you could kind of mix and match them because that will look absolutely amazing too. Let's cook it and do the same in this one. So very easy set of the nails. That actually would look awesome on its own, like without all the color bits as well. Like I'm sure clients would love it. Especially that's in January, we sometimes lost like what should we do. So black nails would be a nice idea. I bet it is going to be quite popular. And then the last one, obviously undercured, but I just want to show you the full set of those quick and easy design. And I hope you have guys really enjoyed it. I think they look actually cool. Sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.